I'm gonna have country style chicken pot pie, and the kids had other things. What did you have? You got the pasta, and then you've got the Ready Wise strawberry granola crunch. Okay, we'll tell you what we think. You know, show me what it looks like. You gotta scoop one out. Is it okay?
Mm-hmm.
Is it delish? Granola, a little bit of hot water, turn it into that.
Yeah.
How does it taste?
Like oatmeal.
Oatmeal, okay. Alright, you got your chicken pasta stuff?
Yeah.
Is it soft?
Yeah, it's nice and
Okay.
cooked and everything in here. It's pretty good.
Cool. This one's still percolating. It had a whole biscuit in there, like a solid biscuit, and vegetables, lots of vegetables. Alright, that's what it looked like when it come out. That's the biscuit. There's a biscuit right there. Let's try some of this stuff. Not bad. Weird. Definitely weird. Might have to need a little bit of work on that one. What's this? Chicken? Yeah, that's pretty good. It tastes like chicken pot pie. Let's go out here. Interesting. Okay. There we go. I'm going to take you on a tour of my setup. Family of 6. That's right. Lots of kids. Requires lots of supplies. lots of food. Lots of chairs. Lots of redundancy. There's the propane thing. I'm going to show you guys that in a little skit. This thing's come in handy. I'm going to walk you through some of the little items I'm using every day. The mirror, I had this for 2 years. It's just it's got Bluetooth. It has a memory card. Plays music. That's a pack and play. Y'all like pack and plays? I like pack and plays. There's a oh my gosh. Okay, so all of that in the back of there. Okay. And check that out, dude. I got that sets just great right there. That's the Hill Hub propane water heater. See a little propane tank? Let me zoom in. Booyah. Kind of just want to show you these things because it's so cool, and I don't share this stuff. I don't make videos about this stuff. I do all this survival related stuff. I did a video, I think, on that. We went camping and I shared this. I did cases here. This is all like medical and like anything from sunscreen to Tylenol. It's like one of those things, you know what I mean? Band-aids. They're starting to do their little road work over here. This is the shower. It works great. It's your little shower. It's got a light bar in there that comes on, and I've got a little mini toilet down there, down at the bottom in there, so people can go poop. It has a floor, but it kind of, there's like gravel base here, so it got like a lot of gravel in it, so I've got to like unzip it and then take it over and rinse it off, I guess. Kids have been taking showers. Boom, boom. They don't have to go anywhere. They just come over here and take a shower. This is this thing. It needs water supply. I have, if you look in the back, I have the Black Forest water container back there, but I don't know why I didn't like unscrew it and plug this in, but I just kind of did this. I was like, here you go, kids, go take a shower, because it was kind of a rush. But yeah, you just turn the power on here. The power will come on there, and it says, yeah, you're good to go. You turn your pump on, and then you'll hear that thing kick on the fire, And then you just turn this up and down to however hot you want it. It's that simple. This is just a simple cigarette lighter plug. It does come with the actual plug, but I don't need it. I've got these little battery banks everywhere because the kids have like random LED stuff, because the kids sleep up here. This is the kids' nest. It's where all of the kids go, and they put their shoes in here and stuff. But this has got their I tucked that back in. It was starting to slide out a little bit. But yeah, this has got their little USBs, got the LED lights here. There's all LED lights inside there. They've got double fans, electric fans, solar powered too. It's got solar powered fans. But yeah, a lot of the gear came out of these. I just threw it down there, and then a lot of the gear that came out of here got thrown back here. It's just like fast moving. We got to get going, you know, kind of stuff. That's us. I'm gonna upgrade this. But BattleBox, you've been true, man. This is the ultimate tent right here. I'm not kidding. I actually own, like, I don't know, a gazillion tents. This is the one we take every time. Every single time. It stays in the truck. I use it every time. It's great. And it's easy to set up. You just take the bottom and you put one pole in it. One pole. Dude, one pole. One pole. That's it. That's all you need. Anyway. Midnight Forest. That's our fishing poles. It's got all of our fishing poles in it. We never know when we're going to fish, so we always carry them with us in our tackle box. So this thing's cool. This thing is awesome. It all lights up. These are all light bars, LED light bars. I'll light it up in just a second. I did a quick video so you guys can see me putting it together. Little top oak. 270. People. Yeah, that's a good song. Hey, everybody's coming in here, man. It's that time. You got to go freaking camping. So this is it right here. Goes all the way to the front. Yep. This usually has more stuff, but it's all sitting back there. Like I said, I'm not kidding when I said I use this thing. I use it all the time. I'm not trying to sell it. I'm just telling you, this is the one that I use every freaking trip. And I know it works because I always use it. I'm not lying to you when I say, hey, why are you always trying to sell stuff, BA? I'm not trying to sell you anything. This is just, I'm telling you, this is what I use every time. For all you camping weirdos, this is what I take with me everywhere I go. This is my tire table. The tire table. There's little lugs go there. That goes there. It comes with a bag and it holds. I'm not selling you on that either. That's the Mighty Sink. Mighty Sink, dude. It works. Works great. Same thing I use every single time. Over here, I got more Christmas lights. Christmas lights are going around there. Goes on up, and then you see these guys here. Goes up to the top. That's my utility light. I can turn that on in the cab and it lights up this area so I don't have to light this up. Oh, I didn't turn those on for you. I'll turn it on for you real quick. Where's my plug for that? This one? I think it's this one here. There it is. See? They all light up. Chaw. Whole thing lights up. But yeah, check this out. Let me try and climb up here. Chaw. See that? Got my solar panel up here. And it's keeping this guy going the whole time. And it's like stuff I want to show you. I don't know. Here, this cooler. Here we go. This cooler. That guy right there. This company. Alright, so 2 days and 2 days. Booyah. Look at that. Still ice in it. 2 days. Got one more. It's really cool. This thing, it neatly fits in the container over there. It folds and locks. This guy here, if you ever see the ones that fold and lock, I'm not telling you which one this is because I don't care, but the ones that fold and lock, these are the ones that you just shove them right in there and you're done. Let me come over here. These chairs work great. Had these about 5 years. That one too, 5 years. Still works. Those you know those swivel chairs, the ones that like you gotta like yank all the crap out of them. We did our food testing. I tested this thing. This makes really fine espresso. This thing here makes espresso. If you want one, if you want like espresso, and the battery lasts a long time too. It comes out hot water. It takes like a couple of seconds, but it makes hot water. Thawing out my burgers. I'm gonna cook some burgers today. It's just a camping trip, dude. Frosted frog. You should get a frosted frog. And you want to know what's really cool about frosted frog? Let's see. A couple of days into this, kids have been taking ice out of it. Look at that. Still ice. Everything's still ice cold. 2 days. 2 days of ice. Has an LED light. You just push this button right here. But they do custom work. Custom work. That's right. They do custom work. You just have to request it. But yes, custom color, custom work. You can have them any color you want. Different color latches, different color anything. Orange, purple, pink, polka dotted. They can do all of it. It's crazy. Yeah, but this trip has required a lot of weird stuff for it. I usually pack a saw and all that stuff, and you know, another saw and hatchets. I got a whole bunch of hatchets, shovels, the whole nine. I brought the lava box this time because I didn't have to deal with firewood this time. Plus it's been raining nonstop and it hasn't let up, so we're stuck with that. Organization is the hardest part for doing all this stuff, because you can't like getting all your sleeping bags together, getting all your stuff. When you got a family of 6, you're not going just camping for you. You're like, you know, if you're doing it yourself and you're like, hey, I need a sleeping bag, I need a tent, I need something for starting fires, I need something for cooking and eating, you know, all these different things, you know, water, hydration. Then, but when you've got like kids, okay, and everybody else, it is a drain getting it all together, man, I'm telling you. But I just want to share, I got some clips for you to share as well. God bless, take care, and stay safe. The Hill Hub hot water heater. Look at it go.
Yeah, it's definitely working.
Yep. Water. Naturedness.
Yeah. Definitely works.
Kids showering. Hi. It's just her head showing.
Oh, good.
Yeah. Don't worry.
It's censored.
Water's coming through.
Yeah.
All right. That's all I need.
Yeah, it works.
Yep. My kid's like, privacy, please.
Censored.
Censored.
It must be censored.
Yep. Naturedness. Shower. Faye is going ballistic. Wife was like, this is a lava box. Okay, so the wife, we're going camping. We got our camping rig all set up here. Big rooftop tent up there. We got our little teepee for, you know, the mom and dad teepee. And wife was like, should we bring firewood? And I said, well, you know, it's been raining for like a month. Everything's wet, and you know, it's just a mess to try and get a fire going. I was like, bring the lava box. The lava box is the bomb. I mean, you got 2 settings. You plug the propane into the other port and you can cook. That's for cooking. You can make s'mores, all that stuff. But technically you could still use all that stuff too. But And I just brought my propane tank. I've got a smaller one, but I just grabbed the Big Daddy. I didn't really care. We're going to be here for a while, so I figure we'll run it for a while. And I've got propane hooked up over there, cooking. Got our mighty sink and stuff. I'll show you guys more of that stuff in a minute, but I just wanted to share with you guys this lava box. I haven't gotten a chance to do that yet, so this is another feature.